Before this video starts, I'd just like to warn you, it's probably one of the shittest pack openings you've ever seen. So yeah, anyway, enjoy. Yo, sup everyone. Today, I thought I'd do a video on a FIFA 14 pack opening. Now I know there's not many packs, I can see that. But I thought, since I haven't done a video in quite a bit, I might as well open some packs and yeah, try and get something reasonable. Alright, anyway, yeah, let's do this. Store, brass packs. I'm hoping I get something. Oh shit, I just got extra money. Where'd I get that from? I sold 7 people. Oh, okay. Okay then, alright, whatever. Alright, that's good to know. Didn't expect that. I only had like 27,000 to start off with. Wow. I take back we're opening less packs. Alright. Our first pack. Let's do this. Bang. I'm gonna look because it's the first pack and stuff. It's not. You never get something hyped on the first pack. Nope. Just as I knew, some shitty player. Cattle. Who the fuck is that? Nothing. Okay then. Already. Oh, we have a messy pack. Hopefully something lucky. I doubt I'll get anything. Because I spent like 300,000 on packs and still didn't get anything. Nope. Someone shit again. Really, they're not even giving me anyone to even put up on the transfer list. Damn, I'll take the fitness. Oh shit. They're all shit. Oh, we have still a bit more change to buy a couple, I think. I'm gonna try and look for a pack of someone cool on. Alright. Bang. Please give me someone. I'm not gonna look. I'm not gonna look. It's someone reasonable, someone I can actually buy. I mean, sell. Right. Oh my god. What's this guy worth? Probably shit. Yep. Nothing. Nothing. This is something to give me change. Just put them up for something. Oh, God's sake. Fine then. I'll take that. And I'll take that. Trust me, these things always come in handy. Oh, God's sake. This game is leaving me with like nothing. Finally, we'll open this pack. I'm not gonna look this time either. Please, God, someone give me someone reasonable. Please. Oh. Bang, I'm looking. Oh my god, are you serial? Jesus. No one. Maybe I could sell this. Yes. Oh no. Still not enough. Alright, we're gonna find this money, don't worry. Let me try and find this money real quick. Oh man. It's only 200 quid. I can find that. Squads. You see, I sold my whole team, bought loads of packs thinking I'm gonna become the next millionaire, and literally I'm effed. I have to wait until I can buy money. Yeah. Oh, God's sake. Oh yeah, I can sell sorry, I can sell managers and shit like that. Alright. What am I doing? My club. My club. I feel ashamed. I feel so like shit right now. Oh, what am I doing? Staff. Oh yeah. Oh, he's my manager. I've got him. Oh yay. Yay. I can sell him. Oh, thank God. Oh, thank God. We actually have enough to buy one more pack. And don't worry, I will do more pack openings. I probably won't get anything in this next pack. But, yeah. I'm not gonna look. I'm not. Please, please, someone. Gosh. Come on, please don't be unlucky. Oh my god, it's better than the others. I'm not gonna lie. It's better than the others, but I don't know. Ferdinand and Bravo. I don't even know who Bravo is. List, how much is he worth? Please. Oh. I must say, it's better. It is better. But it's not amazing, is it? Oh, what a shitty pack. I'm gonna list him. I'm gonna put him up there. Ferdinand, he's worth shit. I'm sure he's worth nothing. I'm gonna keep him actually as a centre back. Yeah. I'm gonna keep him as my centre back. So I was thinking of doing a Barclays team. Oh, he's the shitty Ferdinand as well. God's sake. Alright, centre club. Well, I guess that's it. I'm keeping Ramsey. He's actually pretty good. I'm not gonna lie. He's a really good player. But anyway, yeah. I guess that's it. Nothing really. Training. I'll take it. Yeah. Nothing. Oh, God's sake. I'm left with 1,000. I'm not gonna spend that. I hope you all enjoyed me flopping on a pack opening. My first pack opening. They don't even give me anything. But anyway, yeah. Hope you all enjoyed. But still, I still have this guy to sell. I don't think anyone's gonna buy him yet. We got him. Yeah, that's it. But yeah, hopefully when I sell this guy, I might do another pack opening. I'm not sure. I'm mainly doing like buying coins and doing pack opening. But anyway, yeah. Hope you all enjoyed. I'm very tired. That's why I've been a bit sloppy. Again, tired. But yeah, hope you all enjoyed. Remember to subscribe and like the video. And yeah, eventually I will do more of these kind of videos. But yeah, I might do matches. I'm thinking of getting into matches when I get a little bit better. So I get a freaking ultimate team. But yeah, anyway, yeah, my wicked ultimate team right now. Anyway, yeah, hope you all enjoyed, and yeah, peace out.